Hello, ladies and gentlemen. In the previous session, I have introduced you with the two platforms, infinityfree.com and another platform from the Hostinger, which will help you in creating the WordPress website, and that is free of cost, and you don't have to pay any charge for that. So, and I have also explained you a little bit about the infinityfree.com, that how you can register in the infinity.com, and what are the things you have to take care in the infinity.com before you start creating the WordPress website. I hope you have gone through my previous session. So today we are going to do the final WordPress website designing using this infinity.com. So now since if you have seen my previous video, then I've asked you to just register in the infinityfree.com so that you'll have the practical experience, while today I'll guide you for while creating the website. So let's start. So if you have already registered in the Infinity Free, then here once you have landed to this cPanel, then here you have to search for this one option, which is Softaculous. So this is a Softaculous app installer is there. So on the cPanel dashboard, you will see the Softaculous app installer. So you have to click on this Softaculous app installer. And now once you click on the Softaculous installer, then again you will see the new page will open, where there are a lot of apps are there. So here you will see that WordPress, Joomla, Cart, PHP, and lot of apps are there. So you don't have to do anything over here. You just have to click on the WordPress, and you have to click on the install. So once you click on the install, see here you will get the word you will enter inside the WordPress. And now here is there are the different options which you have to make sure that before you install the WordPress. So you have to here is mentioned choose install the URL. So URL, you don't have to do anything, you just keep this you have to select the URL http.www. and your website name. Since you have already selected the AP digital ac.epz.com, that I have shown you in the previous video, that while I was registering in the infinityfree.com, so this is my domain name. So this is my domain name, and this is my and here is my domain name, and here's my extension. .com is my extension. And another thing, you have to make sure that what's your site name. If you want to make the changes of the site name also, suppose my blog is there in the site name, I'll write digital marketing institute. So you can write whatever you want, I mean according to your niche. Okay, that will be your site name. A site description, if you want to make, you can write the site name also. Otherwise you let it be like this, the way it is. And when you will create your final website, then during that time you can do changes in the site description. Okay, now the most important thing is the admin username. So admin username, you can write admin, ADMIN. Password, you make sure that admin password you change, because here you will get the random password, which this password will be very difficult for you to remember. So you have to change your password. So I have entered the password. Now after clicking password, make sure that admin email ID password, if you want to change, you can change the email ID password, or you can let it be like this, the way it is. Now you have to scroll it down, and once you scroll it down, you will see the install button is there. So you have to click on the install. So once you'll click on the install, you will see that the WordPress will start installing. There will be some time, you will see that during daytime, if you're trying to install this WordPress. So since this is the free platform, it might take some time for you to get your WordPress installed. So but you if you get that any error over there, so then you refresh the page, or you can try it after 5-10 minutes, or sometime instead of ideally it takes hardly 2 to 3 seconds to download the WordPress, as you have seen just now. Otherwise, if during the daytime it takes like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, sometime half an hour, 1 hour also. So don't worry, you can do your other work, and you can let it WordPress download in your account, and then you can start doing the editing work. Now you'll see that the congratulations, Softaculous software was congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So my WordPress software has been installed. Now I'll get the two option. WordPress has successfully installed, and here I have the two links. Okay, two URLs are there. HTTP at www.amandigitalep.com. This will be my direct website. So if I'll open on the direct website, you will see how it opens. So here nothing is there on my website. Okay, now my website is finally created. So now I have to design the website. I have to edit my website. Okay, this you can see Digital Marketing Institute I have written is Digital Marketing Institute has came over here. Now my WordPress blog. So my WordPress blog is mentioned because there if I would have done anything, if I would have mentioned earlier, then something else would have been also written over here. Okay, so that you can change while when you are editing your website. Okay, now we'll go to the another URL, which is administrative URL, and this URL will help you in edit your website. I mean to edit your WordPress which you have logged in. Okay. So I'll click on this link and you'll see that what happens. So once I'll click on this link, then you'll see it will redirect me to the WordPress, and it will give me the access for editing my website. So you can see this is the WordPress dashboard, and now here I am getting a lot of options for editing the WordPress website. So this is my WordPress website. You can see this is the URL. Now you will see now here there are the lot of option: post, add, media, page, comments, and a lot of things are there. So guys, you have to now you don't have to do anything much over here. What I'll need to do, you have to ensure that for first thing you have to ensure that if any post is there in your website, like any pre-post is there, then you just delete this post. First thing you have to do that, you have to do trash, and this you have to do that. Second thing you have to do, you have to check what all the plugins are there. Okay, what are the pre-plugins which are installed on your website. So these are the pre-plugins, so we don't want all these plugins, so you have to clear all these plugins. So I have cleared all these plugins over here. Now what are things that you have to do? There are three things we did. First, we did we have deleted all the pages. We have to delete all the pages and all the posts. I'll delete all the pages as well. I don't want anything. You don't have to you don't have to continue with any pages or any post which is already pre-installed by WordPress. First you have to delete, so that your memory space is there inside the website will be 0. Now you have to go to the plugins. So plugins, what all need to do? Once you click on the plugins, so here you have to click on the add new. Okay, first plugin you have to install is this Jetpack. You have to activate this. Once you have to install, and then you have to activate this. You have to set up a Jetpack. That will set up later. So since this has already been installed, then again we'll go to the install plugin, and you will see that I have activated Akismet, anti-spam. Another plugins I have to install is the Rank Math. Since Rank Math, what you need to do is why we are installing the Rank Math, and what are the uses of the Jetpack and the Akismet, I'll tell you. Akismet, this is for the spam protection. Any kind of spam you will get on your blog or your website. So to protect your website and blog from the spam, this is the anti-spam protection for your blog. Okay, now another thing, what is Jetpack? That Jetpack will help you in growth of your website. I mean, it will help you in blocking any spam, any malware scan it will do. Apart from that, it will also help you in sharing your WordPress blog in the social media platform like Facebook, Instagram, Google. Apart from that, this Jetpack will also help you for the mobile optimization of your blog or the website. So it will automatically integrate just like the way it's required in the mobile. Okay, the font and everything which is required in the mobile, so automatically it will optimize your website as per the suitability and as per the requirement of the mobile. Third, what we have installed the rank math. So this rank math, what this rank math will do, this rank math will help you in the SEO of the website. Okay, and it will help you in the Google SEO, and help you with the other platform as well. So whatever the website you will, whatever the content you will put, that will your content will be your content will explode in the other social media platform. And this will also give you an idea what is the how much your visitors are there in your blog, and what are the daily rankings of the website, how are the user experience, everything you will get in the rank math. Apart from that, you can also install the Yoast SEO. The Yoast SEO will also help you in the SEO, in a WordPress SEO, and this is one of the very known and very trustworthy SEO tool. So this we will Yoast SEO we will understand, but as of now you need to install the 3 plugins which I've asked with you. And another thing is this do have to install the W3 the total cache, and this will help you in minimizing the size of your content, size of the pictures and anything you will if you will place in your website or your blog. Okay, this will help you in increasing the speed of your website while reducing the cache memory. So these are the 4 plugins you have to install. First, W3 total cache. Second is the rank math. Third is Jetpack we have introduced, and fourth we have installed is for our for anti-spam Akismet. So these are the 4 plugins you have to install. Now the second step we have to do is we have to install the themes in our website, in a WordPress website. So here there are 2 options: either you upload the theme, the new theme you uploaded from outside, okay, or second, you get lot of free themes over here by the WordPress, so you can install this theme also. But however, I would not suggest to go for with this free theme. This free themes are not very optimized. So next session I'll explain you about the GeneratePress theme and how we can use the GeneratePress. However, the GeneratePress themes are will cost you some around $50 to $55. But however, since you are a student, so I'll give you the GeneratePress theme free of cost, and I'll explain you the step by step how you can install the GeneratePress theme and how you can optimize your website and what are the different features of the GeneratePress theme. So that we will learn in our next session. So today we are going to learn with this the free themes which is available over here. So just for training perspective, I am explaining you how we can use the themes. So similarly, you can install the themes from outside, but however, since you the themes are available over here, first we will use this and complete our today's session. Now I'll install one theme which is available over here. You see this theme which I like, and now you should also make sure that whatever is your niche, and accordingly you select the theme. You don't select any random theme, because now there'll be a lot of options over here as a theme. So there are many themes which are pre-made, where you don't have to do anything. You just have to change, do a little bit editing, and you can publish your website. But if you are going to start your website from the scratch, then you have to do a lot of work over here. So since here there was one theme which I like, so I just for the demo I'll just use this theme. So I'll just activate it. Since I've activated it, and now this theme you will see. Okay, Now you'll see is once after activating, this theme will come on my dashboard. Now this will allow me to customize it. So here I have to click on customize, and once I'll click on the customize, then it will it will redirect me to the dashboard where I'll get an option for customizing my WordPress website. Yeah, so my website will entirely this with my new theme. So here now since I have to edit this theme, and for that I have to go to the dashboard, and from the dashboard first of all I have to go to the customize option over here. You can see on the top. So once you click on the customize option, then you will see there are a lot of option over here on the left side of the sheet, where you can edit your sheet. There you can edit your website. You can general option where you can change the your contact number. You can change the details of your website. What's exactly a tagline of your website. Now you see that my WordPress blog, which I was trying to edit at this while installing the before installing the my WordPress. So this is the tagline. So here now I can change this tagline. So I can change now I can change anything, I mean as per my requirement. Now it's changed. I can see a contact number I can change. Now again I can change the email ID. So like this you can edit your website. So there are a lot of other options are also there. You can change the colors, you can change anything, you can change the font, header, colors, anything you can if you want you can change. You can change the header image also. So this is the one way you can edit your website. Now in the second section, in the next session, I'm going to explain you detail about the GeneratePress website, and by using the GeneratePress website, GeneratePress theme, we are going to create the. So on the next session, we are going to learn. So this way you can create. So this way you can edit your website. And now using this free themes, you can also edit your website and can create a website as per your requirement. You can edit everything. You can edit your now entire the background. You can edit your name, and you can edit everything whatever you want. You can customize as per your requirement. You can remove anything. You can delete. You can add anything, whatever you want. And you can even for if you want to, you can change the theme also over here. Now since you have understood today how to install the theme and how you can activate the WordPress website, the next session as we were discussing before, that I'm going to explain you for creating the entire website in the WordPress. So with this free theme I'm not going to explain you much, but since you wanted to use the free theme, you can use. However, in the next session I'm going to explain you about the WordPress website designing by using the GeneratePress theme. So you can see this is a GeneratePress website, and how much they are charging. Basically they are charging $44 and $2,219 for lifetime. So guys, by using this theme, I'm going to explain you how you can create a website. And to all my students, I'll be giving this theme free of cost. I'm not going to charge you anything. All I want that using this theme, you create your website, and if any problem you face, then you can discuss with me. So on the next session, we are going to learn how to create a WordPress website by using the GeneratePress, and we are going to learn each and everything for creating a WordPress by using this particular theme. So I hope you have liked today's session, and I'll see you in the next session. And I would request you that before you come for the next session, you go through the entire the training modules what I have explained you today and yesterday, and you just revise it once, and you practice it. If any kind of issues you're facing, you can comment me on the Facebook group. Along with that, you can also comment me on the comment section in this YouTube comment section, and I'll reply you for all your queries. So thank you so much again for watching this video. I'll see you in the next session.